In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the pickup person for an order before it's marked ready. If you need someone else to pick up your order, the good news is that this is usually a quick update, as long as you make the change before the order reaches ready for pickup status. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to enter so the correct person receives the pickup notification. To begin, open your order details page in Chrome. Make sure you do this before the order is marked ready. That timing matters because once the order moves to the ready stage, you may no longer be able to edit the pickup person through the order page. So before making any changes, take a moment to confirm that the order is still in progress and not yet ready for pickup. Once you're on the order details page, look for the section labeled Store Pickup Details. This is the area that contains the information related to who is currently assigned to collect the order. Depending on your screen size or device layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it, so just move through the page carefully until you see that section. Inside Store Pickup Details, find the edit link that says Change Pickup Person and click it. This will open the fields you need in order to update the designated individual. If the page takes a moment to respond, give it a second to load completely before typing anything. Next, enter the full name of the new pickup person along with their email address. Be sure to type both pieces of information carefully and double check for spelling mistakes, especially in the email address. The notification will be sent automatically, so accuracy is important here. If the email is entered incorrectly, the new pickup person may not receive the message they need in order to know the order is ready. After that, save your changes. Once the update is submitted successfully, the system will automatically send the pickup notification email to the new designated person. That means you don't need to send a separate message manually through the order page. And that's it. By updating the pickup person before the order is marked ready, you can make sure the right individual is notified and prepared to collect the order without confusion.